still see some pop-up showers, thunderstorms at times, are pretty typical summer pattern. Didn't see a whole lot of rain coverage today, but a few isolated spots here and there got a decent little soaking. Very few. 93 degrees is our current temperature with a dew point of 72, which, believe it or not, has not been exceptionally high. Now, yeah, it still feels like 101 degrees, but we're not getting to that criteria of a heat advisory or anything like that. So yes, hot, very typical August heat and humidity, but I always think this way, it could be much worse. 95 right now at Lakefront, 93 degrees at Slidell. Again, very few showers developed, and at least at all of our weather stations, no rainfall. So we are still very, very hot. 96 degrees was our high today. Not quite the record, but certainly above our normal high for this time of year. And highs will definitely be in the 90s, although as we continue through the week, our rain chances will be increasing. So we may see a little bit of a cap to some of those temperatures, and in other locations, you may not see the quite prolonged heat like we had to deal with today. As I mentioned, dew points have not been exceptionally high, but certainly in the 70s is not very comfortable. We did see a lot of sunshine today with some late afternoon showers kind of bubbling up across the area, and where we had those showers, they didn't move a whole lot. There isn't much wind outside, so wherever those showers fire up, they tend to just sit. Now, we don't have a great deal of moisture in the atmosphere that we would get heavy soaking rains that would lead to flooding, which is good news because, again, any showers that we do see fire up are not really going to be going anywhere. Had some over the West Bank and the city. That has since wound down. Some shower activity still going around Kenner and other parts of the metro area. You can kind of see on the satellite here kind of a ridge of high pressure that has settled in over us. As that ridge weakens over the next couple of days, our rain chances are going to be going up. So I do introduce about a 30, maybe 40% chance for some pop-up showers, thunderstorms during the day tomorrow, and then on into Wednesday, you might see that rain chance increase a bit, and probably a few more as we get into Thursday and Friday at around 60%. Checking the tropics, nothing named out there at the moment in the Atlantic Basin. There are hints that maybe we see this one become our next name system. You can definitely see a broad circulation right in through here. This is Invest 95, and certainly the convection is there, the thunderstorm development around that broad circulation. 60% chance, medium percent chance of possible development to a named storm. However, most of the models are indicating that if this does kind of get better organized and become a named storm over the next couple of days, as it approaches the islands, most of our models kind of weaken it as it gets into a more hostile environment. Notice the GFS by Friday, this is now just an open wave, and the Euro doing basically the same thing. The window of opportunity for any further organization with this feature is coming up, and we may see this become Josephine and then likely weaken right after that. So if it becomes a named storm, probably would not affect any land areas as a named storm. Rain chances for us increasing over the next couple of days, not dealing with the tropics. We will start to dry out a bit more as we head into the weekend.
All right, Chris.